How are we doing today, guys? It's your boy BJN Trades. Right here you can see I'm stripped out. I'm joking. Uh, yeah, trade recap. This video is just gonna be me going over the trades I took for the past 4 days. The past 4 days has fucking been a good trade, a good day. Sorry, good trades, good day. Every single day was a winner. One trade a day, and I was just done for the day. And yeah, hopefully I can keep going this way. And right here you can see I have my Notion there, so it's not gonna be on TradingView because if I choose to fucking let's say look for the execution on TradingView is gonna have to take a long time. So just because I have the pictures, I took a screenshot of each and every trade, so I put it on my Notion, so I can just record, I can keep records of the trade, so that allows me to kind of show the trades on my Notion. So it's just gonna be me going over the trades I took for the past 4 days. That's it, simple. So right here you can see my Notion right. Yeah, if you want to, if you want to do your Notion as well this way, it's like flipping good, bro. You can, just get the app on Chrome or just download the app and then you just go on here, new add page. You just click on database and you're just gonna pop up this way. You can add all of these. You add the text, date, file, and yeah, text again and then everything, man. So yeah, October 14, which was on Tuesday. This was my first trade. Right, yeah, you can see for yourself. Pretty much I had my first winning day on Tuesday, so let me just go over the trades. So right here I was bullish, but however, yeah, just because we, pumped, went up straight up, so I was thinking, there's just no point of chasing. So I had to just, wait. And this was like about, I think this was was this was London section or something? Yeah, I think it was. I think it was. It was London section, and there was so much volatility, and you know I thought, okay, why not just take advantage of the volatility and just look for trades. So right here you can see we pumped, so I was looking for reversal to the opposite side. And here you can see we went up, and I marked out this gap. Obviously, I was waiting for price to close below this gap, and I'm gonna look for my entry. So my first entry would have been right here, but I didn't chase. I didn't because I was thinking, okay, if I had to take this right here, I'm gonna short into a new gap. So I was like, nah, I might just wait, man. So we, see you retest the gap. Now we just pretty much pump. From there, we came all the way back up. Now, what am I thinking? Okay, we're going down now, yeah. So what is price gonna do? Is he gonna keep, retesting this gap and then we're gonna keep selling off? So I thought, okay, just wait and see what happens. So I had to wait. I marked out this order block right here. You can see you respect the order block there. And then we just pretty much start selling off. So we invest this gap here. So I was thinking, okay, I was looking for shots. But right in my mind, yeah, I was saying, okay, Bash, are you gonna, just get formal and then just hop on this trade? Just why? Because we're close to this low. Because if I would have take this here, it would go against me, like I would get stopped out. Because I was thinking, okay, since we invest the gap, we might want to get to this lows like so quick. I want to get to sell side like in let's say a few minutes. But I thought, nah, just chill. So I had to wait for a retest. I marked out this breaker right here. You can see we have a high, lower low to this low, retest display. So this right here would have been my breaker. It would have been this one, but I just chose to just draw a line. I don't know why. So I got it right there, literally no drawdown, and it just went straight to TP for like 60, 80, about 48. That's like 25 points or so. So I got 25 points on this day. It was a good day. I got off the chart so early. You can see right here, I've gold and, you know, these other pairs, they don't really matter to me. I just put them there. It's just like correlation. So first trade on Tuesday was a good trade. About 25 points and I was done. So move on to the next day, which was right here. But you can see right here, pretty much simple day as well. You can see we came all the way to this 15-minute sell side. So I was expecting price to respect this 15-minute fair value gap. This blue stuff you see right here, it's a 15-minute PDOA. So it's a bullish fair value gap on a 15-minute time frame. So we came all the way there. You can see we made a V-shaped recovery and we went all the way straight up. So I couldn't chase right here. I was just waiting for consolidation, like a price to just consolidate for a bit and then we'll push up. So we went all the way up, couldn't get anything out the way. So now we're getting that consolidation. So my top process was okay, I think we're still bullish. We're still gonna keep going up. I think price is still gonna keep, pushing highs. So I marked out this gap, and then I just wait for price to retest the gap, got my entry right there, and it just went for 25 points as well. So my first day was pretty much 1K. The second day was about, I think I made $9 I think, yeah, close to 1K as well. Yeah, that was it for the second day, easy day, and then from there you can see we start selling off. So the third day was right, yeah. Third day was pretty cheeky one, so which was yesterday. So you can see right here we had news, we had news low right here, but I didn't get the screenshot properly. But yeah, we took out news low, and you can see this is a swing low as well. This is AM New York low. It was the previous low that was made before we consolidate. So we came all the way down, took out the low, took out the low as well. And from there you can see I got it right here on this little inverse fair value gap. I had to chase, got it right there, went for like 30 points. So it's just simple stuff, man. Just sweep, look for liquidity, wait for price to take out the liquidity, and then you just, look for inverse fair value up to the upside. And then from there, you can see my second entry would have been right here, but I didn't want to risk my profit. I just thought, okay, you're up for the day, just close the chart, don't do anything too crazy. Come again the next day. And that was it, man. And yeah, pretty much, Thursday was easy as well. And then Friday was right today. And today was, the trade was called out live on TikTok everywhere. So it was popping. So you get me. But yeah, today's uh today's trade was right, yeah. So actually I can show you lot today's trade on the chart, yeah. So if you want to see, it would make sense that way. But this is my execution, by the way. So you see my execution right here. So right there, went for 50 points, got out for 1K as well. And yeah, I can show you lot my execution for today on TradingView. That would make sense. So it's gonna be TradingView. So yeah, but this is gonna be a long one though. So right here you can see the same execution right there. I just took a screenshot and then that's it. So I'll leave this, yeah, I'll leave my annotation and everything. I'll leave on the chart, but I'll go to the daily chart to just show you lot something. So right on the daily, yeah, what was I thinking? Okay, obviously we have, we've been consolidating. So first, I saw a bearish fair value gap here. Yep, that's what we see first in it. So we have a swing low, which is previous to low right here. It's deep low as well, but we've already taken out this low, so it doesn't make sense. So, the next low would have been this low. So we have this one right here. So I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna sit on a lot on TradingView. I'm gonna put the price here, put the price level here. Once I get like a bell from TradingView, say, okay, we've got to this place, I'll wait and see what's gonna happen next. So obviously London section, it happened during London section today. Got it a lot, and then obviously I had to wait. And then from there I just mapped out this Tuesday low as well, which would have been sell side. Because I was thinking, okay, if we're gonna keep selling off, probably gonna have to come all the way to this low. But are we still gonna keep selling off to this low? I don't think it's possible. So I was saying, okay, Bash, what you're gonna do is you wait for this price to get tagged in, and then you just look for reversal. So we get the top there, we strip the low, went straight to 1 minute time frame. I went straight to 1 minute time frame, and then I just look for my trades there. So right there you can see we have the sweep right here, which is the I'm gonna mark it out so you lot can see it properly. We have it right there. We have Tuesday low, so Tuesday low. Put it to the right side, and then you can see right there. That's the Tuesday low. So we took out Tuesday low. We failed to break structure right here because this was the previous high. From the sweep, we made this high, and then we sell off. So we manipulate this low as well, and then from there we start to reverse. So we start going up. I was thinking, okay, this is looking good. Then we broke structure right here. So you can see right after we broke structure, I had to wait. Price came all the way to order block here. This is like a BGN theory stuff kind of stuff. You can see right here. You can see the line. I drew the line. You see we ripped up, came down again. From there we consolidate, and I've got my entry right here. You see right there, I bought there 24,478.75. Got it right there, and then literally no drawdown though, because I was risking 10 points, and they just went for 50 points. went for 50 points or went for more as well. But right for my entry, see what happened. You see how crazy that is, bro. Like right for my entry, bro. Literally from my entry. Like, well, obviously you have to secure some profit. You can't just leave the trade and say, okay, I believe it's gonna go up. It doesn't work that way. So you can see right for my entry, oh, it went for like crazy points, man. Crazy points. Right there, it's 470 points, bro. Insane. But yeah, that's by the way, I got 50 points. I'm very happy with that. And yeah, that was what I did for 4 days. Made 4K easy. Show you my P&L. Yeah, and for those of you that want to see my account balance, everything, you see right here today 1K, and then that's the balance right there. So 3.8, pretty good for 4 days. I mean, what can I say? But yeah, if you want to do the same stuff like I do every single day, obviously, catch this type of trade, catch this type of move, everything. Just there's a link in my bio. It takes you to the Telegram. So kind of a little community there. You get to see other traders. You chat to people. There you can, what I'm saying. So if you want to join, it's for your own good. So yeah, and that's it, man. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.